What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'll be talking about how I got funded over 150K just in one day trading on Apex. So I'm gonna talk about how I passed this evaluation and what can help you pass this evaluation as well. All right. So without further ado, if you look here, you see that I currently just passed these 350K accounts literally in one day. This is the certificate. Look at the date. It's April 8th. If you look here, it's April 8th. So yeah, so I passed these accounts literally in one trade. There's a promotion going on where I think it's 80% off in one day. Like you could pass the challenge in one day. So I'm definitely taking advantage of this. I think it costs like $37 just for a 50K account. And you could literally pass it in one day. Just wait for the right setup. And that's pretty much what I did. So by doing this, now I have 150K technically to trade with. I'll be managing my risk well. In the updated video, I'll go over my exact strategy on how really to maintain being funded, because most people just get funded and blow their accounts because they don't have proper trade management or risk management. So will be a lot of videos coming in the near future. So if we look here, this is one trade that I missed. I'll show you the trade that actually got me funded in literally one day. And the trade only took about, I'll say, an hour and 30 minutes to hit my TP. So but this trade would have won overall like quick. This was a nice little setup that I like trading. Pretty much I'll just break this down real quick, just a little extra sauce for you guys, extra gems to help you guys. All right, see if this works. All right, so pretty much here, so whenever you have the market, let's say whenever you have a high, let me just mark this out. Whenever you have a high and the market shoots past it, this is what we call displacement. All right, so normally when displacement happens, there's a fair value gap that forms, and it could also retest off of this high that it currently broke. So this is like a A+ setup on a higher time frame. So here on gold, unfortunately I missed this trade, but here notice how it came into this fair value gap. We dropped down to a lower time frame, came into this fair value gap and this new support area when it broke resistance. So this was a clean, easy setup. Could have caught this trade on a lower time frame, scaled in, really caught this easy setup. So this is normally what I look for a higher time frame setup. I like to mark my highs, my liquidity areas, and see how market is reacting. If it spikes above but doesn't close above that resistance area, most likely you'll get a reversal. All right, but if it shoots past high, you can expect the retracement to the fair value gap to buy up. All right, so that's just a little extra gem for you guys. So the setup that actually helped me get funded was on NQ. So this was a 5-minute setup. It was very, very choppy, I will say. When I got in, it wasn't choppy. It wasn't this choppy. Afterwards, it got really, really, really disgusting. So here, we look here. I had my liquidity drawn out. Let me see if I can close this indicator. Okay, hopefully this helps. So right here, I had liquidity marked all around here, and I waited to see how it reacted at these liquidity areas. So here, the market just shot all the way down, just blew past this one, blew past this liquidity. But once we got here, instead of continuing to like blow past and close all the way down, notice how it kind of like closes a little below, and the next candlestick right away buys all the way back up. So this is a sign of this being a displacement block, which I'll talk about in a upcoming video. I'll talk more about that, but this is what we call displacement block, and this really has taken my trading to another level. So I teach my academy this in the Learn and Earn. I go over this, so definitely I'm giving out this knowledge in my Learn and Earn group. So if you really want to like know the specifics of this type of setup, just hit the link in the description. I'll go over this in depth over live Zoom sessions and stuff like that. So yeah, so once I seen that the market, how this market reacted at this liquidity area, I waited for this candlestick to close, and I wanted to see a candlestick close above this displacement block. So this candlestick that pretty much hit liquidity, I want to see a candlestick close above. So once it closed here, it kind of entered here, then caught this little 1 to 2. This little 1 to 2 trade setup. So my stop was more over here. So I caught this 1 to 2, and then really it hit my target. So I was risking, I believe, like 1,500, and waited for a 1 to 2. So by just doing that, all you really need is one trade to really pass this evaluation. That's why it's important that you wait for the right setup, high probable setup, so you have a higher chance of winning. Wait for an A+ setup, and then you just risk a 1 to 2, right? And you risk 1,500 to hit that $3,000 profit target goal. So this is what really helped me pass literally three different challenges in one day, easily, off of one single trade with terrible market conditions. So if you look here, this was just terrible market conditions, and I still was able to pass. All right, so you just need the right setup. If you're in my Learn and Earn group chat, you passed this as well, because we took this trade together. Sent this exact trade. Any trade that I take, I send to my Learn and Earn group chat. So if you want to get funded or just want to make money in general, definitely join the Learn and Earn group chat, because we're gonna run it up all year long. All right. So tomorrow, what do I expect? Well, NQ, honestly, I really don't want to trade in this because it's pretty bad. So we're waiting for CPI news to come out, which I believe comes out Wednesday. This is why the market kind of looks like this. So we may not get any good setups tomorrow. We'll have to wait until Wednesday to see what the market can offer us. All right, so overall, I got funded over or just about 150K. I am in a Top Step challenge as well, 150K account. So I'm taking a lot of different prop firms just so I could scale up my money. Just, I also trade live as well. Live is very important. I always favor live over prop firm trading. However, the prop firm trading, as long as it's a good prop firm and reliable and regulated, could be a great benefit towards your trading and help your trading accelerate. So if you could find a company to give you 50K, and all you have to do is make a small amount of profit and get your payouts, it's worth it. I'll say, in my opinion, it's worth it. Definitely just have the right setup, right strategy, learn, and don't be afraid to seek knowledge. If you're struggling with trading, don't be afraid to look for help. Even if it's not through me, just look around for help so that you can really accelerate in this field. The trading can really change someone's life. All right. So yeah, I plan on getting more 50K accounts. Honestly, my goal is about 20 50K accounts on Apex, and then on Top Step, I plan on getting way more accounts as well. So all year long, I'm trying to run up these prop firms and make a lot of payouts. Hopefully get on the leaderboard eventually. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on my journey. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to type it in the comment section or reach out to me on Instagram. And if you want to join the Learn and Earn group chat, I'll put the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.